Hey, elementary and intermediate, just wanted to update you on where we're at with crosswalking, IXL, and NWEA. So, if you remember from our October meeting, we were hoping to get all that data entered and then to have specific skill plans created for students, and that has happened. And so, I'm just updating you on how you can access this and then how you can see it for students. So, if you log into IXL, I've logged into one of our classrooms. You go to Learning and you go to Skill Plans, you can see it will come up and it will share with you students your math and your reading, and so you can see right away what that is. I pulled up when it comes up, it will pull up a student and you can scroll down, you can see who it is. You can see all of your classroom that way if you want to click on somebody different. At the top, it will tell you what their RIT score is, and so you can see the RIT score, and then it will show you exactly for these skills. This one is in operations and algebraic thinking. For this one, you can see exactly what the student is ready for, and then they need to start on number 1 and they start moving down. These skills build on one another. So you would start in this area and start going down. You could do that in any of the areas. So number and operations, algebraic thinking. I think there's a geometry one and a measurement and one more. So you can see then the next RIT score that's in there is number and operations. That's different than the previous one. And as students have different scores in each area. So then you can start with that next area. These can, of course, change after we do a second round of NWEA, but this is a good starting spot. So you can see the measurement and data area and then geometry. So some of them, depending on your grade level, have more specific skills and depending on how the RIT is for students. So again, you're going to scroll. You got to hang with me while I scroll up. You can go to Learning, Skill Plans, and that's where you can find it. So Learning, Skill Plans, and then you can see right away you have math and you have reading, and you can click on the students. In reading, we only have 2 areas. I'm just double checking if there's vocabulary. There's a literature, informational text. There is vocabulary, which is not part of the MCA, but it is part of the NWEA. So it crosswalks there. Those are not as required to be on, one is done previously than the other. They don't always build as much. You can see, so main idea would build on one another, text analysis would build on one another, but it doesn't have to be main idea and then text analysis, if that makes sense. I think those are the major pieces. When students log in, they can go to skill plans as well, and they can see it on there as well on their own site. So you are ready to launch, and if you have questions or need anything, certainly let us know, but we're really excited about differentiating using IXL even more than what we have done in the past. All right, have a great Monday, guys.